Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to show you how to view all the carousels you've shared on Instagram by date using the new update on PC. So let's get started. First, open your account on Instagram. Once you're logged in, head to the bottom left corner of the screen and click on the More icon or the three dots. This will open up a menu with various options. Next, click on Your Activity from the menu. This will take you to a page where you can see all your recent activity on Instagram. Now, look for the Photos and Videos section, and then the Reels section. Here, you'll be able to see all the carousels you've shared on your account. To view the carousels by date, click on Sort and Filter. This will allow you to filter the carousels based on the date they were shared. Enter the start date and the end date for the period you want to view the carousels from. Once you've entered the dates, click on Apply. And that's it. You can now see all the carousels you've shared on Instagram, sorted by date. It's a great way to keep track of your past posts and stay organized on your account. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. See you next time.